Alright guys, we're having Korean lunch right now, Korean barbecue.
You think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are.
Oh my gosh, look at this guys.
But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah.
And we're gonna do the shrimp first. Okay. We always like to put the shrimp on the outside. Hi, how are you? Ellie, look. Hi, how are you doing? It's a little treat. Okay. Don't play with their food, but here you can play with their food. So we always like to put the shrimp on the outside. Do you know why?
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
It's all done, guys. We are done eating. We didn't get to finish all of it, but it is pretty good.
High. Trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.